tired of tangled cords cluttering your workspace? The Underdesk Cable Management Tray offers a simple way to reclaim your desk and keep cables out of sight. Designed to fit desks between 0.4 and 2.4 inches thick, it's the perfect solution for anyone looking to organize power strips, adapters, and wires neatly underneath their desk. What sets this cable tray apart is its premium construction. Made from thickened, flame-retardant Oxford cloth, it not only hides your cables but also enhances safety by resisting fire and dust buildup. This means your workspace stays clean and secure, whether you're working from home or in the office. Installation couldn't be easier. You have the option to clamp it on or screw it into place, no complicated drilling required. This flexibility lets you set it up quickly and adjust as needed, so your cables stay tucked away without hassle or damage to your furniture. The tray's large capacity means it can hold all your essential power supplies and cords, eliminating the mess that often distracts or slows you down. Imagine a desk free from wires dangling or sprawling across the floor, just a clean, organized space that helps you focus. Included in the package are 2 hardware brackets, 2 fiber tubes, and 12 cable ties, giving you everything you need to secure your cables neatly. Plus, it helps prevent accidents by keeping cords off the floor, so you don't have to worry about tripping hazards or vacuum cleaners pulling cables away. If you're ready to upgrade your workspace with a reliable, durable cable management solution, this Underdesk tray is worth a look. It combines safety, convenience, and a sleek design that adapts to your setup, making clutter a thing of the past. Try it when you're ready to experience a tidier, safer desk environment. With this cable management tray, what you get is peace of mind and a workspace that works for you, not against you.